Hey everyone, today I'm going to be showing you how to swap out the battery in your 2022 to 2024 Chevy Equinox key fob. This key fob takes one CR2032 battery, and if you need one, we'll provide a link in the description below where you can pick one up. So we will be using a small flathead screwdriver to help remove the battery, but the first thing we're going to do is press this button on the side to release the physical key. Now, the same slot that we took the physical key out of, we're going to stick the physical key back in just slightly, and then we're going to twist, and then we're going to pry up, and that should pop off the back plate, and you can remove it the rest of the way with your hands, exposing the circuit board and the battery. And so now we're just going to take our screwdriver and stick it under the corner of the battery to try to pry it out. Then we're going to swap out the old battery, get the new battery, and we're going to slide it in the positive side facing down, making sure it's seated correctly, and also making sure our circuit board is placed correctly inside the body of the key fob, which it is. Then we can put the two pieces together and squeeze it along the outside, making sure it all snaps together. And after we do that, we're finished. And so hopefully this video helped you in swapping out the battery in your key fob. If it did, leave us a thumbs up. Thank you so much for watching, and have a great day.